Welcome back. We can append our summary with scientific information if we can find it inside of Google Scholar. So if we look for articles according to our subject and we find an article, we can use it in order to assist us in writing our content. Once we get results based on our keywords, we can sort for the most recent information. We can then look for articles instead of any kind of content, and typically articles will be the easiest for us to get the information for and to summarize. Now, some of the information is going to be behind an academic paywall. However, some information is going to be freely available. When you find an article that you want, you can click on it and then download it to your hard drive. Now, the first thing that we can do with our information that we have downloaded is we can ask Claude if it is truly relevant to the information that we have. And so to do that, we're going to upload the document to Claude inside of this conversation. So in this particular case, what we have done is we have uploaded the document that we found on Google Scholar. We've asked the chatbot to think step by step through the process of helping us to determine if the information in it is relevant. And we've also given it an out. We've said to it that it's okay to say no, it's not relevant. And that's one practice that we want to undertake. We can now click enter. Now in this case, even though we have found the study, Claude has determined, based on the out that we have given it, that it will not add anything to our document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.